Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Bitwarden for privacy first password security, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing to Bitwarden for optimal password security, visit the Bitwarden website. Click on the Get Started button located on the homepage. If you don't already have an account, select Create Account to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields, including your email and a strong master password. Make sure to confirm your master password by entering it again in the designated field. Once completed, click on the Submit button to create your account. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Bitwarden. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Now that your account is active, log in using your email and master password. Once logged in, navigate to the Premium section on your dashboard. Click on Upgrade to Premium to view subscription options. Review the benefits of Bitwarden Premium, which includes additional features for enhanced security. Select your preferred subscription plan, whether it's monthly or annual. Enter your payment information in the required fields. Confirm your payment by clicking the Pay or Confirm button. Upon successful payment, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. Access your Bitwarden Vault to start saving and managing your passwords securely. Utilize the various features to ensure your online privacy and security remains a priority. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Stay updated on new features and improvements by checking Bitwarden's blog or update notes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.